We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our team works hard to make everyone happy, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And now we're thrilled to share this one with you.
Dakota applied grub control and weed control to our yard yesterday. He has been to our house many times to do different services. He is always very thorough and makes sure we know what he is doing. He has offered to come back at a later day or time if it isn't convenient for us. Another great employee at Quality.
But please don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.